Welcome back. Today we'll be going through a Kubernetes Security Challenge number 3. For this challenge, this is a 2-node Kubernetes cluster. Using the kube-bench utility, identify and fix all the issues that were reported as failed for the control plane and the worker node components. Inspect the issues in detail by clicking on the icons like this and complete the tasks to security applications. Once done, we should click on the check button as we did before in the previous security challenge to validate our work. I'm going to start with a kube-bench icon. Use AquaSec kube-bench to identify and fix issues related to control plane and work node components. Kindly refer to blog and Git repo for scripts and YAML files linked given in description box. If you have any issue, feel free to connect to me by online support chat on my blog. In this task, I am going to use scripted commands to execute the task. If you're visiting for the first time or haven't subscribed yet, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more posts. Keep learning.
To validate if a task is complete, you can click on the check button. If complete, the icons in the architecture diagram will be highlighted in green. If something is yet to be completed, it will be highlighted in red. To complete the challenge, you must complete all the tasks. There we go. The icon turned to green. Let's check in GUI to confirm. what we did was being done correctly. You noticed icon highlighted in red. It means something is yet to be completed. Click on Finish and Confirm to complete the task successful. If you have any issue, feel free to connect with me by online support on my blog. All the best. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Happy learning!